Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Today I'm going to show you the way that I align my 3-view drawings now instead of the old way that I used to do them. The old way I would do that, I would bring in a picture like this here and calibrate the side here. Once I get the side view in here, I would calibrate this, and then I calibrate the top and calibrate the front. Now I don't calibrate the top and the front. So what I'm going to do here is show you how I do that. And let me show you the difference to being really calibrated, the pictures. Turn the bodies on here. As you can see, this is lined up really well on here. The top as well, as you can see, is really lined up quite well. And the front. And this is the way I do it. Do this now. So I turn the canvases off so you can have a look at that. So this is a Pilatus PC24 that I've been working on. But anyway, let's go ahead and open up something new here, a new design. And I'm going to insert a canvas here. And it's a picture on my desktop. Let's go ahead and find one to use. Something that's not difficult. Let's go ahead and use this A380. And put this on the side view here. And click OK. Now what I do now is this picture here, I'll calibrate this. And I want from here to here to be 2 meters. Actually, I want from here to roughly around up here. You change this, cancel this, do this better. Now, I'm going to use this point here and this point here. And the other parts of this doesn't really matter too much. And if you need this to be exactly 2 meters, then put some lines in here to make sure it's exactly 2 meters long. But that's the only one that needs to be calibrated, is just the first side profile. Just calibrate that. Now you have that in here and it's calibrated to be whatever size you need it to be. Now what you do is create a sketch on the side plane here. Then I'll draw a line from here, here, and I'll do the same thing for the back. And as you can see, we have the line that we need. Next, I'll go to insert again, another canvas, and that same picture that we used. And drag this out. rotate this. And we have a line from here to the back end of it, to there, and there. So that dot and the dot up front. And I'll pull this out here and line it up. The two dots there. And click OK. Then the front one, while we're looking at the top here, we'll create a sketch on this plane. Again, line, wing, and the same on the other side. Finish sketch. Look at this from the front, and we have our two dots here. Now, we'll insert another canvas. This plane here. And that's really close. And then lining it as far as height. Come back to the side view and create a plane on the sketch here. And I'll just use these wheels here. And I just do a line here. Now we know it needs to come down here, the wheels to touch. And we'll go ahead and finish sketch here. And that front pick, edit. Now this way can take a lot longer to get everything lined up, but it gives you a little more accuracy. And so we have that. Now we can see how things actually line up now. So we have this. Turn off those sketches, and what I'll do, I need to do an offset plane because I want to start this up here. Now create a form, cylinder, on this plane here. Pull this back. And I'm not going to model this airplane. Just wanted to show you guys how I do this now, and it gives me much better results. Now, as you can see here, the alignment on this is really well now. From the front like this, and from the side, as you can see. Now the top here is slightly off, but you see this is not centered properly. So I would just come up here and edit this and move this down slightly. Or excuse me, up. Or down, I'm sorry. And get this better lined up. And there. As you can see, the distance between the sides here, that's fine too. And like I said, doing it this way, things line up so better, so much more, or they line up better for me now. And this is how I do this. Instead of calibrating 3 pictures, I only calibrate 1, then draw the lines to get this. So this is my workflow for this now. And like, as you can see, this is what I did with this PC-24 with the lines. Now, when I was modeling this, I modeled this last year sometime, this Honda Jet, and I didn't do that. Oops, turn the bodies back on and canvas off. I didn't line it up that way, but I had really good 3-view drawings for this. Also, one thing I forgot, when you're modeling, you want to find the best drawings that you can get, because there's a lot of pictures out there on the internet where they're not the side to the front to the top view, they're not properly drawn to to scale, and so that can screw things up. But I find that when that happens, the way I showed you guys putting the pictures in like this, I get much better results. And also my workflow, oh, I don't want to cancel this. My workflow, like for this Pilatus PC-24, if you notice on the tree over here, everything that I do now, I label everything. Before, I would do the top side and stuff like that. And now I even label my sketches, because now I can come back and find something really quick. If I want the back windows for the flight deck up here, I just come back here and there it is, and the front windows for it, and then the windows here in the center, and etc. So it's just easier labeling everything, all the sketches, so I can find something really quick. Everything. It's just easier finding things. Even like even my construction planes, I labeled them as well too. Like when I was doing the belly pan, I put an offset plane right there to get this. So if something else that I needed this plane for, I can easily come back over here and click on that and get right back to it, now that everything is labeled. It takes a little more time labeling stuff and everything, but overall, it makes finding things much easier and saves so much more time with everything being labeled. And yeah, but anyway, I just wanted to show you guys my new workflow for lining pictures up here, or 3-view pictures to model from. And again, you should really get accurate drawings of airplanes. And the place now that I look at the most to get accurate airplanes, it's called theblueprints.com, the-blueprint.com. And they have thousands upon thousands of pictures. And if I'm modeling an airplane for somebody, normally what I do, I will go ahead and buy the blueprints and model it using those blueprints from that company. I will just buy them. And then they have a lot of free pictures as well that you can use to model, well, 3-view pictures to model your stuff from also. But yeah, again, that's the-blueprints.com. And go over there and have a look. And so that's going to do it for this video. Just a short video of my new workflows for aligning pictures and everything, and my tree over here and stuff. So yeah, and I hope you liked this video. And if you did, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And also I invite you to join my Facebook group and my Patreon site. Both are called CAD Build Fly RC. Go over there and have a look. And if you have any questions, go ahead and leave them down in the comments. And if you have, like I said, if you have any questions on anything that I do on my channel, you can contact me on my CAD Build Fly RC site, or the Patreon site, or my Facebook group, or send me an email. Yeah, so that's going to do it, and hope you guys have a great rest of the week.
Subscribe for more.